Class with Carson and Shorty.
What's going on, fam? It is 9/19, Friday Eve, Thursday the 18th, and you know what that means. Your boy Curtis Adams going to be at the Pikes Peak Center tonight doing his magic show, but it's like with a flair, right?
Yeah, this is not your original magic shows where you just see the guy just standing and look down. This is actually some work.
I know,
right?
and he's actually here in the studio with us, and he is so
What's
cute. Like, I'm expecting, like, honestly, this is what I was expecting, like some older, half balding guy. No, I'm not lying, to come in.
You got a younger guy with lots of hair.
I know, and I'm like walking down, I'm saying, oh, little cute little boy. And he's like, oh, Chris, I was like, okay, go ahead. Doing big things, we ain't mad at you. So you got your guns together, all right.
all right.
So ladies, you have to come down and check them out. Tell us what you're going to be doing on the show tonight, if you can.
Well, the show, like I said, is the Raw Concert of Magic Shows. It's like a concert. It's not, you mentioned before, it's not your typical magic show.
No, it's
a lot of
not.
magic shows are very symphony-like. They're very ballet-esque, you know, very long and drawn
It
out.
gets old after a while.
Absolutely. So this is high energy. It's in your face. We got tons of pyro. We got tons of dancing. The dancing's hot. And
Now-
it's fused with the magic.
Can I interrupt you for a second?
Yes.
You said you have pyro fireworks?
Oh, yeah.
I have chemicals in my hair. I mean, like, exactly,
She don't
like,
want to mess up her weed.
Don't let
you know,
Shorty get too
this
close to the
this
pyro.
is natural, but it got chemicals. Am I going to be safe? No, real talk. This is
Absolutely.
okay. I'm just
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah, we're not going to shoot a gerb over your hair.
Can we make Shorty disappear? Can you do something like that? That would be kind of hot. Make Shorty just be gone.
I'll make her disappear and then appear at the show.
Ooh.
Ooh,
There we go.
I know, right?
All right.
So, what's something big that's going to happen in the show? Can you tell us, or is it kind of like
Absolutely.
undercover?
Yeah, it's you know, well, what we're competing with these days, we've had to really raise the bar as far as magic goes, and we're competing with movie special effects, the CGI, and we're competing with Xboxes. So we really had to bring the movie special effects to live stage, and that's what Magic That Rocks is all about. So, for example, I'll be melting through a sheet of steel, not like your typical magicians where they just hold up a sheet and
Yeah,
then they're on the other
really.
side. I actually stop halfway so you guys can see me coming out. It's very like Star Wars and Han Solo stuck in the carbonite, you know? It's very movie special effects. I'll also be catching 6 bullets coming from an AR-15 machine.
Oh,
I know.
yes!
You see what
Yeah.
happened to 50 when he do that, right?
Yeah.
He's trying to catch a bullet on me. That's just saying.
Yeah,
Just
so,
saying.
yeah, but no, this is very Matrixy, and then we're also going to be manipulating cherry bombs. You know, we'll be teleporting across stage. We'll be dancing on the ceilings and on the walls. It's great.
I was telling you off the air, like, my stepson, he's all excited. He's like, oh man, I can't wait to go see the magic show. Do they need any volunteers? I'm like, I don't know if it's that kind of show. Like,
Yeah.
he's so excited and ready to see you. And I think all people should be excited about you.
Oh,
'cause
absolutely. This is a departure from your regular magic show. We will be using a lot of audience volunteers, too.
Oh,
It's
see, there you
totally
go.
interactive.
I get to go there
Yeah.
and get hooked up. You know what?
That's
In
crazy.
fact, we actually have a pair of tickets to give away to your
Let's
show.
do it.
We do.
So go ahead. You pick the caller. Whatever caller you want.
How about caller number 6? Let's
6.
do a 6.
All right, call number 6. You be calling number 6 right now here at 226B. You're going to check out the very young, hip, and sexy Curtis Adams tonight at the Pikes Peak Center, so hit us up. Good luck.